Hello guys, and today we are fitting a brand new gear gaiter and gear knob to replace my existing gear shifter. As you can see, very worse for wear, including the knob, and we're going to replace both of these today. There's no real particular order we're going to take to do this, but first of all we're going to use a little flathead to separate the leather plastic liner. There's like a ring here. We're going to put a screwdriver in there and separate these to bring this down so we can then bring the gear knob out. There we are, so that's now loose, and that now reveals the knob, which we're going to pull upwards and out. So you want a nice firm grip, both hands on that knob, and get yanking. As you can see, here is my old one, and then to replace it I've got a full leather stitched knob, genuine Volvo product. But as you can see, we pulled it through and it leaves the shaft there, ready to take the outer housing off. So I found it quite easy to use the gap in here to get underneath one of the edges and then to pull the whole fascia up. So inside here you'll see these little tabs like this. You're going to pull these out and then pull this in towards you, so we're pulling the cover through this way towards you, so you can unknuckle these and it will just slide out. So there we go, finally out. So it came out through there, and then we want to use the existing plastic housing here and the plastic housing which has just fallen out, this one here, to build our new leather cover. So guys, there's my brand new gaiter. It looks excellent. It's quite a fiddle getting this all to squeeze and fit in, but it's pretty self-explanatory. Just follow the tabs around. It's a bit of a fight, but get your plastic back in there, and then you just want to get your plastic back in the top as well. So we're almost there guys. I've held the ring on here to make sure I don't lose it when I come to clipping the lever back into the top of the gear knob. This is going to need a bit of pulling through, but the rear is pretty much seated nicely, so I just need to pull this through a little bit more. And I'm going to get the gear knob now back in place so we can finalise the installation. Oh, we can finally finish the episode of the gear knob and gaiter install. Here it goes, my fresh new leather gear knob. There we are, lovely new leather and a lovely used but clean gear knob. All done.